Welcome to another Warning Lights video. This vehicle is an 06 plate Focus, and the problem that has been reported by the customer is that there appears to be a large amount of wind noise coming from this area. Already we can see some poor fitment of trim, which may have something to do with it. The way that we're going to verify any air leaks is quite simple. Just close the window, turn the engine off, heater blower on maximum. The system we're going to use to test this is a smoke generator, which we've now activated. I'm going to introduce some small amount of air, and already we can see a small plume of smoke. I may slow that down slightly. You can see the smoke being generated now. I'll play it across the panel so there's no deviation. Smoke's continuing on a straight path. As we get to the top, we can start to see that the smoke's being blown and being disturbed. It's not flowing, so it's straight across the panel. Here we can see how it's being disturbed. So our air leak is in this area. So we need to remove the trim, examine the door seal underneath.